how to turn on or turn off home screen layout auto backup on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, we swipe down at the top. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, from the settings page, we scroll down, then tap on accounts and backup. Next in here, we go to Samsung Cloud section and tap on backup data. Now go down, then tap on the home screen toggle button to turn off or switch on auto backup of the home screen layout. Now this can be useful to turn it on, because if you have messed up your home screen layout, you can then restore it later on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.